Hello everybody, what's up? In this video I will show you how to block notifications from any app that you have on your phone, easy and quick. So pay attention in this video till the end. First thing, for example, for me, Telegram sending me some notification that it's bothering me a lot. So what I have to do right now, you need to open your settings, open apps option, and I will search for Telegram, for example. I will click. I will find this list of options, click on notifications. As you see here, show notifications. You have to disable it like this, and that's all. From now, notifications from Telegram, I will not receive them. And that's all, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.